Hello crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and I create small batch graphics so you can keep your designs unique. In this tutorial I'm going to show you an easy way to create a stylish logo with no effort at all. I'm going to use a Canva. I use the premium version of Canva and I recommend all business owner to choose the premium version, as it's just filled with features that makes life so much easier. But you can do this with the free version as well, so no worries there. I'm an affiliate of Canva and you find a link below in the description if you want to try it out. There is a 30-day free trial, so you can try this while you are creating your logo. No problems. And if you like this channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It's really helpful. So let's get started. I downloaded 3 brush stroke clip art graphics from my Whimsy Dreams shop, and you find a link to these as well. And you just go with your vibe and select the one that you want for your brand. I choose this very feminine and linen colored graphic and just drag it into the workspace here, and I just choose 500 by 500 pixels file here to start out with. You can of course choose whichever size you want. With this premium version you can easily resize it here, but if you are using the free version of Canva you have to start a new document and start all over again. So please make sure that you have the correct size for this. Usually I design my logos in a much larger scale than this, but for this tutorial I think this is appropriate. So let's get started. I just double clicked or dragged the clip art graphic into the document, and as you see here it's looking really nice. So let's zoom in here. I'm just using the Control plus shortcut for doing this, and now we are going to add text on top of this, and your business name, of course. I'm just gonna make something up as I go here, and you can, if you have the pro version, you can upload your own business fonts here, your branding fonts. If you have the free version you have to go with the fonts that Canva is providing you, but I will go with my just with the header here and drag it into the design like this. And my business is not called add a heading, so we are going to change this. You can easily do so by triple clicking inside this text box. This is a really nice tip. And let's say this business is called Meanie and Me, like this. I'm sorry if there's any other brands out there is called Meanie and Me. This is just for for this tutorial, And as I think this is too squashed in the letters, I'm gonna change the spacing of this a little bit like this, and you just go to spacing up here in the text menu. So it's super easy like this, and I will drag it to the center here, and I will make this centered as well, and I will change the colors here. I have my branded colors here as well, as I have this this premium version, but if you haven't, you have to collect your hex code and you go in here to new color and add it manually. I'm just going to add this, my branding color here to make things easy, and baboom, here it is. a new logo. And you can of course also drag a little tagline here, like Media and Me loves handmade, maybe, or something like that. You get the point here. And you can change the type here as well to something that you find appropriate. I have uploaded custom fonts here, so I will go with my Spring Market font that I love. I will leave a link below to these fonts as well, where you can get them if you need them or fall in love with them. So let's see here. So I just place it where it looks great. Maybe we can see we love handmade. That sounds better. Like this, and change the color again to something, your branding colors. So ta-da, here you go. And you can download this as a PNG, and let's download. It's ready now for web use, and you're ready to go. I hope you liked this tutorial. It was a really quick one, and I just wanted to show you how great this brush stroke clip art really is, because you can do so much things with them. I will show you more tips and tricks with these brush strokes, how to make a social media graphics as well, those lovely quotes art, but that's the next time. And if you want to learn more how to use Canva, I have this Canva printables class, which I will teach you everything about Canva that you need to know to create printables. And we only use the free version there, so no worries. And yeah, if you like this video and if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And see you later, crafty. Bye bye.